Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone's fine. When the world gives you shit, make fertilizer. Now, what is a fertilizer and the world gives you shit? World gives you shit in so many ways. You know that. You know that very well than me. Whenever you face someone who abuses you, whenever you face someone who discredits you, whenever you face a situation where you feel that you are being given shit, take it. Let it roll over you. Let it roll over you all. Once it rolls over you, you make fertilizer. How do you make fertilizer? This this is your place of production. You make everything out of here. This gives instruction to these, these, everything. So when world gives you shit, you make fertilizer. You make fertilizer for this. You make fertilizer for your mind. Make fertilizer from the world gives you shit and grow yourself. Make yourself better. And one day that fertilizer it will be the food that helps you become the person you want to become. And to be honest, whatever you want to become, you will become that person one day. That's the power of mind. So that was all. The world gives you shit. Make fertilizer. Fertilizer for your mind, fertilizer for your soul. Make yourself better. Never back down. Never lose hope. When someone is saying you are doing something wrong, but you feel inside and you feel that something is ethical, that something is right, that something should be done for the betterment of every person, your society, your family, you should do that. You should do that. If your heart says and your mind says that that thing is correct, that thing is ethical, I'm not talking about what you want to do unethically or wrongly. That is another debate. But when you know something is ethical and you know that something will help the society, your family, yourself, and the world in general, but the whole world is against that, you should do that. Why shouldn't you do that? You will get shit. You will get bad rep from doing that job. But why shouldn't you do that? You should do that for yourself, your family, betterment of the society, betterment of the world, and make fertilizer. Thank you.